Hello and welcome to another video by www.electricalpereview.com. This is Zach Stone, the owner and founder. We've got a special episode for everyone today. We're in the middle of going live with our new course platform. And before we get there, it's going to take us a couple of days. I want to give you guys a sneak peek because we're really excited about this. So we've gotten a lot of responses and emails. A lot of people have been enjoying our course so far. A little bugs here and there. Namely, it's just a little slow for what we're going for. And the last couple of days, there has been a couple of issues on the quiz problems. So to solve this, we've gone to a much nicer, much more robust, lightning fast course with a just fantastic user interface. So we're going to go through this really quick, demo it for you, and hopefully give you guys something to look forward to in the next couple of days when we roll out live with this. So here's the main page. Here's the body of the course. All of the information is going to appear in this box here. Notice our menu bars on the left now instead of the right. So each of these, I'm going to look at the how-tos really quick. We've got really neat just how-to animated GIFs kind of demoing each of the features in case you get stuck, you're not sure, your first time using it. After that, let's just pick, we'll look at the new chapter, rotating machines. So also look how fast these open and close. All of these are the different individual chapter windows on the left with all of the individual sections underneath them. So here I'm looking at the synchronous machines introduction section for this chapter. We've got all of our videos just load beautifully. You can watch them in the embedded window here. You can do a full screen video just like the other videos in the past. You can speed them up, slow them down, pause them however you like, watch them as many times as you want. You guys definitely are familiar with those by now. Our format's a lot different now. We start out with all the key definitions right up front, followed by all the key concepts, and then all the key formulas in one place at the bottom. The reason why we're doing this is we want to make it as easy as possible to use this as a reference when you're working those problems. And we're going to have downloadable PDF files for you that are going to follow the same format. So that way when you're at the exam, you can go right to the key definitions, especially for those really difficult conceptual problems. And if you're not sure what formula you need to go, you can go all the way to the end and you've got every single formula that could apply to those questions. So I think it's going to be a really big help. The biggest thing that we're really excited for is the new quiz layout. Take a look at this. So we're done with this. We're going to go next. Here's an index, a window view of everything in this chapter. We just finished the section on equivalent circuits, so we're going to hop into this quiz. Look how fast that loaded. It's lightning fast. So I've already answered a couple of these up here, so you'll notice some of these colors have changed, but up top, here's just a progress bar. Each of these will turn green or red depending on how you do. Right now we're on question 4. You've got all your possible answers down below. In the past, you had to wait till you finished the quiz until you got the results. A lot of feedback we got is it actually made it harder to work your way through each problem. Well, look at this. So I selected A, 0.03 ohms, and it already gives you the question right away. So as fast as you can click that button, you're going to get the solution, the step-by-step solution immediately. So you no longer have to wait to complete the quiz. It's going to be a lot more efficient for you studying. So take a look at this, same thing here, and I'm not really even taking time to read the question, but I picked 10.2 kV at an angle of negative 61 degrees. Immediately tells me this answer is incorrect. The right answer gives a nice big green checkbox. It was actually 29.6 kV at a positive angle of 61 degrees. And then you've got your step-by-step solution right underneath. So every single question, and I mean, just look how fast this is. It's lightning fast. We're really happy about this. And finally got one right on a random guess. J, 7.3 ohms. Goes on to tell you this answer is correct. And if you get a right answer, you can stop and skim the answer anyways, just to see if the way you solved it was similar to ours if you want to, or you can just skip on ahead and go to the next one until you get one wrong, like this one that you might want to spend some more time on. Another thing is, so look at this. This is problem 7. So we got a wrong answer. We can also just pop right back into the chapter on equivalent circuits, dig through here until we find what we think is the missing piece for us to get that right question. We can go right back to the quiz. So it's really that fast. It's really easy to go back and forth. So I'm going to work my way towards the end of the quiz here. We're going to see what it looks like when we finish. So boom, you completed quiz equivalent circuits. Only 9 left in rotating machines. So it's a really nice objective stance that lets you kind of know your progress. That way you can evaluate where you're at. And so really that's about it. We're really excited, looking forward to it. I'm expecting the rollout to be about a couple of days, hopefully a little sooner. If everything goes smooth, we might be done with it by Wednesday or Thursday. So anyways, when we do go live with it, definitely give me your comments. Email me, let me know how you think. And if there's anything else we can do, we'll definitely take a look. And then, one last thing I didn't talk about is there's also going to be a discussion forum, a live discussion forum that anyone can go ahead and type questions, anything like that. They can go ahead and ask them. And that way, there's been a lot of great, really healthy discussion back and forth between me and individual students on emails. But now, if someone asks the questions that you had, you can now see that. So it's going to be a lot better group participation. Maybe you've got a question that someone else also is having trouble with. It'll be a really good way to focus on kind of similar pain points. So anyways, that's about it. I'm going to get off for now. Really looking forward to this. And yeah, that's it for now. So we will see you soon in our new course.